You know the biggest struggle for any online business owner? It's not finding customers or making sales. It's actually managing your time and energy effectively. Just think about it. You have so many different platforms to manage, emails to answer, products to fulfill, and content to create. And if you're anything like me, you're probably juggling all of these tasks solo. So I've done the hard work for you and found the perfect productivity system to help you save time and get more done. And the best part, it's completely free. From there, I batch create all my visual content in Canva using templates I've customized and saved, and I'm now making more from my content than I ever did with expensive tools. The best part? My tool costs went from $300 per month to absolutely zero. I source all my images from Unsplash and Pexels. I write my captions in Google Docs for easy collaboration, and I schedule everything through Buffer's free plan. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more game-changing tips. Before we dive in, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm the founder of a company. 2 years ago, I was drowning in subscription fees. Seriously, I was paying for Hootsuite, Adobe Creative Suite, premium analytics tools, scheduling software, you name it. My monthly tool expenses were hitting $300+ and I wasn't even making that much from my content yet. I felt like I was trapped in this cycle where I needed expensive tools to create content. But I needed successful content to afford the tools. Sound familiar? Then I had my breakthrough moment. I was scrolling through Twitter at 2 a.m., stressed about another monthly payment notification, when I realized something crazy. Some of the most successful content creators I knew were using completely free tools. Now, my entire content planning, creation, and scheduling process takes just 3 hours a week. Let's dive into my free content system. Not free trials or freemium versions, actually free tools that were just as powerful as the paid ones I was struggling to afford. That night, I challenged myself. Could I build a complete content system using only free tools? The answer was a resounding yes. And it completely changed my game. I discovered this ecosystem of free tools that, when combined strategically, created a content machine more efficient than any expensive software I'd ever used. We're talking about Canva for design, Notion for planning and organization, Google Workspace for collaboration, Unsplash for images, and Buffer's free plan for scheduling. But here's the secret: it wasn't just about the tools themselves. It was about how I connected them into one seamless workflow. Every Sunday, I open my Notion Content Hub, where I've built a master dashboard that tracks everything: content ideas, publishing schedule, performance metrics, and collaboration notes. In the last 18 months using only free tools, I've grown my audience from 2,000 to over 50,000 followers, landed multiple brand partnerships. And guess what? It can do the same for you. So are you ready to take the leap and try out the free tools?